Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I haven't been posting. It was due to exams, but I am back now. This review is going to be on a ceramic straightening hairbrush, and my sister's just going to give us some perks on why you should purchase the brush, because she has used it multiple times, which I'll just run through some of the positives about this brush and the negatives. And guys, as you can see at the back of the box, it does come with a digital LCD screen that displays the temperature, and it does come with rubber tipped ceramic bristles, and this helps protect the hair from getting burnt. So Rochelle, can you just give us a quick run through? Oh, so first things first, the brush is really cheap. So purchasing this, I didn't really think much of it. But however, this thing that shows the temperature isn't really accurate, because it says 230 degrees, it goes up to its max. But whenever I turn it up to 330, my hand could still go on the bristles of the brush. I wouldn't get burnt, and I would have to flinch my hand away. I would say that this detangles my hair, but it wouldn't straighten it. Maybe for Caucasian hair, it would straighten it. But for black afro, 4C, it wouldn't straighten it. Not even for relaxed hair, it wouldn't straighten it. It just detangles. It does help. It does protect against heat damage, because it doesn't really go up to that much heat. These stuff, they protect it. But it does go through the hair and really does detangle it. They said that this is 360, is stiff, it doesn't move. But the one thing about this brush is that when you're straightening it, your fingers touch these, which either turns it off. Sometimes the brush just randomly goes off because of like rushing. Obviously, you're gonna touch these. Turns it down, turns it up. So this turns it up, turns it down. It does go up really high, it's 230, and it shows here, but obviously it's not on. The brush is good if you have really tangled hair. So guys, any more information you need, please send the comments down below, because you know I always do respond to you guys, because I love you guys. And I would say do purchase one of these and see what it can do for your hair, especially if you like. Thanks guys.